In this series, we are going to build a modern news website with animations using next.js, Tailwind CSS, and Framer Motion. There are 4 pretty neat animations that we're going to work on across this series. So the first is this animated navigation drawer. When I click on the hamburger icon, you can see it nicely, smoothly rolls in on the side, can close it. And you can also see we're going to add this nice overlay to the content to have the focus shift to the navigation drawer. The second is some loading skeletons as we load the page. So if I just refresh the page, you'll see these nice pulsing skeletons here that nicely flow into the actual content, which is really nice. And this will also be accompanied with some page transitions. So if I click on, let's say, this news article, you can see here it nicely transitioned back and forth between the pages. This gets us to our third animation, which is having to do with the nav bar. So you'll notice if I scroll, the nav bar is dynamically changing as I change direction. So as I scroll down, it gets a little bit smaller to reduce the focus on it. But as soon as I start scrolling back up, it starts to get back larger and larger back to its original size. And then finally, which you might have also noticed, is a scroll progress bar at the top as we scroll down to the bottom to let you know where you are on the page. So to get started, go ahead and download the starter code using the link in the description down below, and make sure to run npm install to get all the dependencies. With that, we're ready to jump in. I'll link on screen part 1 of this series to kick us off, and I'll see you there.